Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to put a box around your text. After you open your Microsoft Office document, you have just to follow these simple steps. The first way to do is by adding a border to your text. Here I have my text. I'm going to select my text. Then just go to the home ribbon or home menu and go to the paragraph section and go to the symbol of borders. You will click on the menu. Here we will choose the outside borders. As you can see, now we added a box around our text. To edit or uh, add some modification to this box, all you have is to go to bottom and click on borders and shading. Here there are some styles or settings of your box. You can add a shadow style, you can modify the color, also the width of your box. As you can see, this is our box here. The second method is to insert textbook text box. Then we are going to place it here. And we are going to copy paste our text. As you can see, now we have our text here. To modify the settings or the borders of your box, all you have is to select your text box and you will go to menu text box. Here you will find the shape filling. You will find the, the options or the settings concerning the outlines. We will choose the black color. We can add the width. Also, we can style our box. The third method is by using the shapes. To insert a shape, all you have is to go to Insert Ribbon, and here in the illustration section, you will find the shapes icon. We want a rectangular or square shape. We are going just to insert one. And here, after selecting your shape, all you have is to select it and paste your text. After double click on it, after pasting your text, all you have is to scroll or to move your box until it covers the text. Then you will go to the shape format ribbon, and here you will find wrap text. We want it to go behind the text, so we are going to click on this option, and this is how it covers text. So it will appears like box uh, that is around the text. Also, you can uh, modify the shape fill or the outlines as we did to the two previous method. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.